all I know is America. I mean, I was basically raised here my whole life. I don't have any memories of Mexico, and I'm not really close with my family in Mexico due to other circumstances. But I mean, it's just frustrating that I don't have the same opportunity as kids that basically were born here have.
He'll express that he's tired, especially, with me working in the medical field, I work inside, so I have AC. But with him working in the sun, that's over 100 right now, that's a whole different ball game.
I don't have the same benefits as my brothers do when it comes to their legal status because they have DACA. I basically feel like the black sheep when it comes to the work side, where I have to basically be doing physical hard labor all day. And I mean, I wouldn't say they don't do that, but they have a better work environment and better work opportunities than I do.
DACA is the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. It was a program created by the Obama administration in about mid-2012. The administration was seeing a lot of the hardships that were being faced by individuals who had been brought to the country as young children, but who lacked legal status. And so the Obama administration decided to create this program of basically prosecutorial discretion, or an intentional decision by the government to decide, okay, we don't want to deport these folks, so we're going to create this program where undocumented immigrants or folks without legal status who qualified could apply, provide their information to the government, and qualify for a work permit.
DACA has helped me in so many ways, especially to get a driver's license, to be able to go back and forth to destination, financially, being able to support other people.
The most direct benefit that DACA recipients receive is a social security card or a social security number. With that gives them access, much easier access to our banking system, to being able to open savings accounts, checking accounts.
Also, job opportunities, more raise, more money, different learning experiences, being able to travel, meeting new people. That's one of the biggest things I've always liked, meeting new people.
There have been a number of challenges to DACA over the years. The most recent challenge has been to the initial DACA program. It was just recently heard before the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals after a district judge in Texas held that the program was illegal, was an overstep, was an unconstitutional overstep.
When I first turned 15, I thought I was gonna get my DACA, but the problem was that due to financial issues, I wasn't able to apply until years later when everything got situated.
The district court judge's opinion was held or stayed. What that means is that the courts have acknowledged, okay, there's an appeal happening and we don't want to disrupt the status quo. So we're going to wait until the appeal has been heard and decided to really put the brakes on the DACA program. However, there are some brakes already on the DACA program. For instance, USCIS is not currently processing new applicants.
When I applied, I did get my acceptance letter, but then I believe probably like half a week later, the Texas judge basically suspended it again. And at that moment, all I felt was frustration, and basically I felt a little bit hopeless.
Specifically focusing on DACA, there have been a number of proposed bills, the DREAM Act, and a number of others that could attempt to create a fix in the law to the issue that DACA is really a Band-Aid on, which is the fact that there are individuals who came to the US in some cases when they were a week old, and they've lived here ever since, and they're now adults and don't have access to a work permit, a social security number, don't have a way to really fully participate in society as a result of that.
So hopefully they can get something more permanently. Like I know there's a DREAM Act, it's stuck in the Congress, and hopefully they can see the like my kids, they're not taking like opportunity from like a as U.S. citizen kid. So basically, they doing a job and they don't want to hurt nobody. And hopefully, they can understand that because the only thing they want to do is work and they want to have a better opportunity. That's the only thing.
Y uno toma ese riesgo de venirse en contra de todo pronóstico, sabiendo que vienes a trabajar, que vienes a sufrir, que vienes a batallar. Pero en el caso de ellos, que ya son otra generación, que ellos no decidieron, que ellos no fueron los que tomaron la iniciativa, yo creo que sí se merecen una oportunidad.
Well, if I had the opportunity to get DACA, first thing I'll do is probably go back to welding school, get my welding certification, join a pipeline, or probably a welding union, or probably start structural welding. Kids in my situation are kids and basically they're just like me. We're just trying to do what we can to be good people in society and, basically just be functioning people in the world. I mean, we're not trying to do anything bad. We're just trying to provide for our families and for ourselves.